Hello everybody, today I'm going to talk to you about molarity, which is basically the same thing as the concentration of a mixture. Okay, so molarity is a measurement of concentration. Okay, and the way that we measure concentration is with this formula here. Okay, so the number of moles over the liters of the solvent. Okay, so moles divided by liters is molarity. Okay, so big M is moles over liters. Okay, or molarity. Little n is the number of moles, and V is our volume, and it has to be in liters. Okay, so in number one, well, actually, let me continue with this. This equation can be manipulated in two ways, okay? If you're solving for the number of moles, that's just going to be big M times V. And if you're solving for volume, that's going to be N over M. Okay, so this is molarity times volume is the number of moles, and volume is the number of moles over the molarity. Okay, so how do we do this in a problem? Okay, so they're asking what is the molarity. Okay, so I'm looking for big M. If I have a 2-liter soda and it contains 4 moles of sugar. Okay, well, they give me my volume and they give me my moles, so that's 4 and that's 2. Okay, so if I'm looking for molarity, molarity is moles over liters, and that's going to be 4 moles over 2 liters, which is going to be 2 molar. Okay, so your answer is 2 molar. Okay, the next one, determine the moles of a solute. So I am looking here for moles of the solute. So this guy I'm looking for. And my volume is 3.5. And my molarity, my concentration, is 1.25 molar. Okay, so to get the number of moles N, you're going to have to do molarity times volume. So in this case, we would do 1.25 times 3.5. And that's going to equal 4.38 moles. Okay, the next one. What volume of water, so I'm looking for volume, if I have 6 molar solution and 2.2 moles of hydrochloric acid, so my number of moles is 2.2. My volume is unknown, and my molarity is 6 molar. Remember, molarity is the concentration. So if I'm looking for volume, volume is just going to be the number of moles over M, and therefore that's going to be 2.2 over 6, which will equal 0.37 liters. Okay, so towards the bottom of the page it says, what is the molarity? So I'm looking for M of a 1-liter solution, so that's 1 liter. And the number of moles is 1.2. So again, remember, molarity is just moles over liters. That's how much solute per liter. So you're going to do 1.2 over 1, which is just 1.2. Okay, how many moles are in 0.75 liters in a 6 molar solution? Okay, if you want the moles, you're going to do molarity times volume. So you're going to do 0.6 times 0.75 liters. And that's going to give me 0.45 moles. And that's N. Okay, last one, and I think you guys are getting it by this point. How many moles if you have the volume and if you have the concentration? Again, the number of moles is the molarity times the volume. Okay, my molarity is 6.5 molar, and my volume is 0.4 liters. So you're just going to multiply those, and that is going to be 2.6 moles.